phobia is an irrational fear about an object. The objects can vary considerably, and generally the anxiety generated in someone makes them so frightened that they avoid that object as much as they can. So it can impact upon people's lives in a great many ways, stopping them going out, stopping them going to certain places, stopping them going near certain things.
Day to day, like when I'm working, is not too bad. It's when I go out more than anything, because when I go to work, I go outside the door in a car to work, inside the door, I'm fine. It's pleasure time or shopping, things like that, that is difficult to do on my own.
Rita had a severe phobia of birds. She couldn't go out into the garden, she couldn't look at birds, she was constantly vigilant of them, looking for them, anticipating them being around, and she would avoid any places that she thought birds might be.